Well, I think the pink one should be Rosita. Because she's more prettier than
Hey, she's not ugly, she is unique. Her name is Unique.
I guess so.
He's waking up.
Hey, it's okay. Your ugly daughter woke up my princess. She's coming towards me.
My
baby!
Sister. Wake up, you ugly brat.
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved.
Ready. What's happened to you? The dad I actually used to know. Bye, Rosita. You ain't getting no bye.
Don't even talk, look, or even touch me.
Ouch, but I'm unfazed.
Let's get her, girls.
Ow, look at my hair. Let's go before the teacher
Let's go. Excited.
Sigh, why does my life have to be like this? It sucks. Luckily I have some bandages. I should probably get to class now. Sigh. And that's about our lesson about feet. Oh, look who's here. Really grabs chair out of nowhere. Sets it down. Hi, Civic. This girl so much, bro. Oh my god, she's gorgeous. Unique, over here. Hey, Civic. Let's get to class. Okay, class, this is transforming class. We will transform into our special form. There's common or rare. I'll go first. Wow! As you can see, I'm a common fire demon. Next is Mochi. A rare water demon. Next up, Rosita. A common love rabbit. Next, common green vegetable bear. Next, alright, Flora, you gotta walk in. A rare emo black demon. Next. Holy cow, Sparkles. You're the wolf dragon hybrid missing prince. Next. No way. The wolf dragon hybrid missing princess.
The princess.
So you're the hybrid missing princess. And you're the missing hybrid prince.
Bye. No, you be quiet. I know you're trying to abandon the kids. And you adopted or something. Stop.
I cannot believe I'm the missing princess. And Z is the prince. Wait. What have we got there? Oh my god. That would be amazing. My bed. Oh shoot, I spit. Uniqua, wake up. The people from the kingdom are seeing who's the missing princess and prince. Dress nicely. Yo, what? We need blood samples. Next time, smile, brat. Next time, don't look the off-brand Barbie. Girl. All of this for nothing. Ashoo! Ashoo! Ashoo!
The results.
I don't really want to wear a dress. You know, I'll just wear what I want to wear. They don't care anyway. I think. She is so dead when my princess is actually princess. The results are in. The missing princess is Unique. Unique will be coming with us. What if she never shows up? My king and queen. Hello, you and Z will be married. Bro, I didn't even get to read that, bro. Stop! I love you too.
And that is the end of the story.